Alright, now we're gonna weigh everything. I gotta get that glass TV back out again. I put it in the back of that wagon. So I got the weight scale going. We're gonna go by how many pounds it is. It already checked. Then I'm pushing 5 to 6, 7 pounds. Just relaxing, it was almost 3 pounds. Just relaxing my whole hand and part of my arm. So now I'm gonna get the TV, and you all can watch me do it. I'm gonna set you up. And I'll come back and I'll show you how much it weighs. There's one heavy monkey. I'm gonna move this back a little bit. Okay. It shows the whole TV, glass screen TV with that bulb or whatever is in it that lights it up and makes it change color. It shows that TV just a little bit over 40 pounds alone. That's pretty heavy. That's just a TV, glass TV. Knocking on wood, but more like knocking on glass. Be back to show you the rest of the project. Don't mind me making noise. Trying to be gentle as much as I can. Well, trying to be quiet as much as I can. Now that piece of metal that was around the TV, just that alone is a little over 1.1 pound. Add the rest of the steel. This is all steel as I showed in the video before. The corner pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the rest of the steel. That's all there. The rest of this white stuff is plastic. And all copper and brass cement. Just in steel alone, almost 3 pounds in steel. Move that off. Just slide it off. Well, it don't work like that all the time for here on a small table. Now, I load up all the plastic. It's almost a half a pound. So all this stuff weighs up pretty much, a lot. So that's 0.24 pounds. add these. So that's part of it. So that's all plastic as well. Put you down for the moment. Try to see if I can fix this better. Almost done, folks. Alright. That's the whole outside screen TV, glass TV. All that's raised. Almost 10 pounds. 9.85. Just all in plastic. All this is plastic junk, trash. So that's it on the plastic. Now I'll get you set up for the copper and brass mixed together. Once again, don't mind the mess, or the noise, I'm a little exhausted. Getting a little exhausted makes me a little angry. Alright, putting this boogie board off. Back to 0, 0. Now it's time to, just for that, one side of 0.20. That, two sides, 40. And add these little dudes that I pulled off the edge to pull these off. Let's start with the big one. As you can see, it's slowly going up. Slowly climbing the hill. £0.64. A little over half a pound. And that's all the gold and copper mix. Brass and copper, I'm sorry. It has to be bright brass. Very bright. Correct me if I'm wrong. And this one has to be shiny bright. And this is that little round piece I showed you with the white tape on it. That one and this one here. The rest of them are from the screen TV, screen, whatever you want to call it. So if you like what I've done so far, just off that old glass TV, please subscribe, like, and share my video. I will post more videos as I take this out, work on this old car speaker or whatever I found on the road as well. You can tell it's been in the dirt, so it's still kind of wet. I found it yesterday. It might be brass or copper, maybe aluminum. Not for sure until I cut into it and get it open. Now that piece there, and this came off of an old washer dryer. And I also found old beat up microwave. That'll be my next project as well. And I know it has copper down in there. That's all aluminum, that little silver piece. This is all aluminum. Why? Because I've done this before with older microwave as well, but different, like 20 or plus years older. Some kind of steel aluminum brass thing in there as well. Yeah, and the rest of this is all steel. That's steel. The only thing I'm mad for here is these wires, for the copper and aluminum wires only. Once again, thanks for following. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends and family. Catch you on the next video.